In today's video, I'll be showing you how to install the latest Realtek audio driver to your Windows 10 computer. So if you have a Realtek audio device, then you can install this driver to get that device working correctly on your computer. So this is very good if you're struggling to hear sound or the sound is messing up on your computer. Then by installing the Realtek audio driver will hopefully resolve those issues. And don't worry, it's fairly straightforward to do. So the first thing that you need to do is click on the link that's in the description below and you will end up on a page that looks like this. Once you're on this page, you now need to scroll down until you find Windows 10. So you now have two different options. You have the 32-bit version or the 64-bit. Now, if you're unsure what version of Windows you have, you can find this out by right-clicking on the Start menu icon and then selecting System. And as you can see, I have a 64-bit version of Windows 10, which means I need to download the 64-bit version. So if I now go back to the Realtek website and then select this icon next to 64-bit, I then need to agree to the terms. So if you agree, select I accept. And you then need to click on download this file. You then need to go save file. And once the file has finished downloading, you then need to run the setup file. You will then end up with a window that looks like this. You now need to go ahead and press next. And it will now begin to install the Realtek high definition audio driver to your Windows 10 computer. If you do already have a Realtek high definition audio driver installed to your Windows computer, it will actually uninstall that driver first, and you will then need to restart your computer. And once your computer has restarted, go ahead and run the setup file again, and it will then install the latest driver to your computer. Once the install has finished, you now need to restart your computer. Once your computer has restarted, you should now notice that you have sound available. If you do not, then you need to click onto the speaker icon in the bottom right hand corner and you need to unmute your speaker, but you may also have to click on the up arrow and you then might need to select the Realtek audio driver in the list. So I don't have the option available because I'm not currently using the speaker output that uses the Realtek audio driver. However, if I right click on my speaker icon and if I then go onto sounds, if I then click onto playback and scroll down, you will then see that it says speakers and Realtek high definition audio. So if I had speakers plugged into that port, I would then be able to select my Realtek high definition audio driver, which the speakers are using. And also if I click onto recording, you will then see here under this microphone port that it uses Realtek high definition audio driver also. So that is how you install the latest Realtek high definition audio driver. I hope this video helped you out and you enjoyed it. If you did like the video, click the like button below. And if you want to see more computer sluggish videos, then hit that subscribe button. If you do subscribe, then I will see you in the next video.